Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on the Ceed channel. Hope you are having an amazing day, cause I am. I say that every video. That's like my intro. One thing here, make sure to join my Discord server. It will be the first link in the description below. Today, we are going to be making a jail channel that only the people that are jailed can speak in it. They can't speak in any other channel, they can only speak in the jailed. So, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, so here we are on Discord, and we are going to be just So I just say we just get right into it. So let's go ahead and we're gonna add a server. We're actually going to name this jail. We're just gonna name this jail. For this tutorial, we're gonna be using a bot called Dyno. We're gonna add that later on. But first, we're gonna edit the channels here. So we're gonna make a general. We're just gonna keep that as general. Actually, you know what? We're actually gonna rename this category to info, and then we're gonna rename this to welcome. Not that the welcome channel matters. This is just an example for you guys. So, we're also gonna add a few other channels like announcements, rules. We're gonna add rules, and then we're gonna add chats. So create the category, and we're gonna bring it above voice channels, and we're gonna rename this to, or actually we're gonna add a new channel, and we're gonna we're gonna name it main chat as I always do. So I'm gonna create that. We're also gonna make a gaming chat, and now let's go ahead and we're gonna make the jail chat. So go ahead and type out jail. Or go ahead and make a new channel called jail. What you want to go ahead and do is go to your jail channel, go to edit channel, go to permissions, go ahead and for the everyone, go ahead and press the X on view channel. That's the only option you have to change for the everyone role. So go ahead and save changes, and then go ahead and escape this. So now this channel is private. We're not quite done with it yet. We can't quite add the bot yet. So go ahead and click, right click on your jail, and go to server settings, and go to roles. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna create a new role, and we're gonna call this jailed. So I'm gonna call this jailed. We're gonna make it a capital J as well, and go ahead and I'm gonna press display members, and then go ahead and save changes. You can also go ahead, this is optional, you do not have to use this. You can make it any color you want. I'm gonna go ahead and make mine yellow. Save changes. Yeah, that's basically all you have to do. So go ahead and get out of the server settings, and now go back to edit channel on the jail, and then go to permissions again, and then go and add the jail role to the permissions. So go ahead and add the role, and now press view channel as yes, and then edit these permissions. This is basically just a chat for, it's basically muted, but they can speak in us only one. It's called that's why it's called a jail. So and then create invite. We're actually gonna turn that to off, and then just keep going through these permissions. Okay, so once you guys have all the permissions done, go ahead and press save changes, and then you can get out. So now I think it's time to add the Dyno bot. So before I do that though, we're actually going to create a new role, and we're actually gonna call this bots. I'm just gonna leave it gray. I'm not gonna add a color to it. And yeah, so now what we're gonna do is, before we add the Dyno bot, you have to go through every single one of these channels. You have to edit the permissions for everyone, and then you have to add the jail role to the rest of the channels, And jail role for the rest of these channels, you want to press this X button. And the reason being is because you don't want them seeing this channel at all. Just go ahead and do that for every single one of these channels. So just press X and save changes. That's all you have to do. And this is totally up to you, but I'm going to have them be able to view the rules channel, just because, like, if you have to reference the rules while you're speaking to them in the jail chat, you're gonna want to have to reference the rules, okay? Okay, so, yeah, so I will see you guys when I have done so. Okay, guys, so once you have done that, if you go to your roles, and you go to this, 3 dots on the jailed role, and you can press view server as role. So now once I press this button, it should only let me see the rules channel and the jailed channel, which I can speak in the jailed channel. Don't let them speak in the rules, obviously. So let's go ahead and press this. And as you can see, I can only see the jailed and the rules channel. Now, I can go ahead and type freely as I want to in the jail channel. Now, the moment you've been waiting for to make this work when you type a command in and give them the jailed role. To do this, we're gonna have to add the Dyno bot. So, to do that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna open a new tab, and you're gonna search in, again, as you may have guessed, top.gg, and go ahead and search that, and it'll bring up the bots. So now you want to search the Dyno bot. Go ahead and search Dyno. Another way to add this bot is you can actually search it in the search bar. It's dyno.gg, I think. And then invite the bot, but I'm just gonna be doing it from this site right here. Okay, so once you guys have added the bot, it should look something like this. So now what you want to go ahead and do is you want to press manage servers, and as you can see, you see all of your servers that you have the Dyno bot in. Some may not have the Dyno bot. I don't know how this whole thing works. I have this one, this server right here that already has the command in it. I will leave the custom command code in the description. You can copy it and paste it as you please. So go ahead, I'm gonna click on this, and I'm going to go to my custom commands for this server. Okay, in the custom commands, we already have it jail, so I'm going to go ahead and view it, and I'm just going to copy all of this. Copy. And now that I have it copied, I can go ahead and switch over to the server that I want the jail in. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the jail. I'm going to go to custom commands, and I'm going to add a new command. So you want to name this jail or whatever you want it, and then you want to go ahead and you can add a description if you want to. I'm just going to say this jail's a mentioned user. Okay, so we're going to name it that. And then go ahead and in the command right here, paste the code from the description. We're gonna have to change a few things because these are permissions that you have to have to in order to use the command. So in the server that I'm a mod on, require moderator, require administrator, admin, head admin, landlord, stuff like that. Just replace these with roles that you only want them to be able to use this command, if you know what I'm saying. I actually don't have any, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and get rid of these, but you can go ahead and change that if you would like. So now you're just left with this. This line right here removes all roles from the user that they have. And then this one right here gives them the jailed role. So, if you don't want them to be able to, if you don't want the bot to remove all the roles they have, go ahead and delete this. I personally don't want them to be able to, for all roles to be removed, so I'm going to delete that. And there we go. So now, once this is called, it should give them the jailed role, and then this this message should be DM'd to the user that jailed the other user or whatever. And then to make an unjail, I'm also gonna show you how to make an unjail command as well. So go ahead and go down here and click this one off and click the other ones on. So now it's all pretty much all set up. All you have to do is press add command. So there we go. The jail command is now made. So now it's time to make the unjail command. I will also leave that code in the description below. So I'm gonna go to my other servers and I'm gonna grab the code again. Okay, so I have grabbed the code and now I'm just gonna go back to I'm gonna add another command and I'm gonna type unjail, and description, I'm just gonna say unjails a user. Okay, and then go ahead and paste the second piece of code into the command. So I pasted it, and this is the second one, the unjail one. Again, I'm gonna delete the requires. So this one right here removes the jail role from the user. This one, if you want to add a specific role back to the user, this one right here does that for you. Just replace the com with role that you want to give back to them. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that because we don't really need that. This is it if you want. This basically on the server I'm modding, we have a former prisoner role that gives that tells us if they're a former prisoner, if they've been in the jail or not before. So I'm just gonna actually go ahead and I'm gonna delete that as well because we don't have that. And then this is the unjail message that the bot DMs the person that jailed the user. So yeah, that's basically it for that command. And then go ahead and disable this one. Unclick that one and then do the same thing here. Click the other three and then add command, and there you go. You have your unjail command done. So now if we go into our Discord server and we test this, you will see that this actually works. So if I go to main chat and I try to actually, let's add this as bots, and I try to jail myself. So I go question mark because that's the prefix, and then I go jail, and then mention the user. So I'm gonna mention myself, and then once I do this, it should give me the jailed role. So then go and then you can give a reason if you want to. So this is a test. There. Okay, so now send that command and it should give me the jailed role. Okay, so okay, so it did DM you, but I'm pretty sure it does work because the reason I'm saying it does work is because I'm actually the owner and I don't think it'll let me give myself the role. I'm pretty sure it does work. If you guys do actually have problems with this though, let me know down in the comments and I will try to help you to the best of my ability. Anyway guys, that is going to be it for the video. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please make sure to smash that like button because a like would be very much appreciated from you guys. And also hit that subscribe button. I'm always looking for new subscribers, and also join the Discord server, first link in the description, and yes, I will see you guys all in the next video. Peace out.